southeastern Georgia, northern Ware County, and southeastern Georgia until 1:15 p.m. At 12:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waycross, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waycross, Blackshear, Boggy Bay, Jamestown, Pebble Hill, and Needham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southeastern Georgia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued counties in Georgia, Brantley, Pierce, and Ware.